Okay, today I'm here to demonstrate the chopping capabilities of the Ontario 12-inch machete, the Ontario SP16 SPAX rescue axe, and the Cold Steel Special Forces SPAX remake. As you can see, I've already used that a little bit. Shooting in 3D for maximum effect. I'm going to start with a shovel. I feel it's the most impressive. More than demonstrates its capabilities, we'll move on to the Ontario SP16 search and rescue axe. The sheer brute force of this. I switch to the pick end. Not as efficient as the shovel, but I feel it'll last a little longer. Move on to the machete. This isn't quite as impressive as the other two. So you can see the axe already damaged the machete side, but we're going to keep going anyway. Definitely lighter, definitely faster. Feels a little more accurate to maneuver it. Between the three of them though, whether they're tools for violence or tools for building shit, gets the shit done, man.